What's up everyone, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to talk about 3 things to help cool off the interior of your Jeep. So let's dive right on in. So to me, one of the big things that I enjoy, especially if you have leather seats, is having a good seat cover. So I've had these for about 2 years and they've been pretty good. The one bad thing is getting in and out. I now have this tear right here. I've had these for 2 years, like I said, so they've definitely seen their fair share of trail time. Got them in the back too, but they have held up pretty well. So obviously having these seat covers, especially having leather seats, is huge for the interior of your Jeep. You're not going to get in and burn your legs and your arms, all that. It's always a pain in the ass. These are actually by Cover King. I would recommend them. They are nice. I'm probably going to go with a different setup, but we will see what happens. Alright, so the next thing that I got is this shade top right here. It is fantastic. It's a little dirty from being out on the trails. I need to take it out and kind of power wash it, but it is fantastic. It keeps the sun off of you, and it is amazing. It's so nice to have something to keep the sun off of you, especially when you're stuck at a red light and that sun's just beating down. It's very nice to have that extra little bit of shade to help cool down that interior. This one in particular is an Alien sunshade, and I've had it for roughly 6 months, and it has definitely done the job. It's been fantastic to have. I take the top off a good amount. The only reason it's not off right now is it has been raining constantly, and it's supposed to rain for the next 2 weeks, which sucks, but it is what it is. But yeah, having this shade top is fantastic. It is super awesome. And now let's get into the last thing. So the last thing, this right here, this is a nice little cover for that center console. As you know, it gets really hot. The material gets really hot, so having this cover is fantastic. I always burn in my elbow, and it was just a pain in the ass, because every time I got in, I have a habit of putting my elbow there. That's where how I sit, and it would always burn the shit out of my arm. So having this is nice. This is from Bartac. I got it from Off-Road Elements. It is awesome. Definitely recommend getting it. I don't think any Jeep should actually have a center console without one. Now that I have one, I can't believe that I had a Jeep for 2 years without it, because this is huge. I can't believe that something so little can actually have such a giant effect. So I would definitely recommend getting one. And like I said, it's from Bartac, and I got it from Off-Road Elements. So I will definitely throw a link in there. It is worth the money, I promise. Alright, that's it for today. Went over those 3 things. I'm going to throw the link in the description so you can check them out. I would definitely recommend getting some seat covers, though. That's huge. And of course, this shade top, fantastic. And like my elbow right now sitting on it, it is not getting burnt, even though it's super sunny. So I would definitely recommend them. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I got something great coming up. I'm doing 36 hours of Uwharrie. 36 hours of Uwharrie with JK Gear and Gadgets. If you don't know what he is all about, check out his YouTube. It is a great channel, a lot of insight. So definitely go check out that. That is JK Gear and Gadgets. So stay posted. Make sure to subscribe, because we're going to be having some good footage hopefully coming up. There's not too much out there, and we're going to try to do our best to get some great footage of that weekend. So stay tuned.